How to turn off lock screen notifications on Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off lock screen notifications on Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google and now click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. Scroll down and click on notifications. And you have the option number 4, which is lock screen notifications. Turn on or off this option. And now if you turn on this option, you're gonna allow notifications on your lock screen on your phone, and I prefer to turn off this option. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.